Remember, when you're drinking wine, you always want to drink responsibly and clearly within your limits. But there's going to be a time when you will have some wine left over. You realize very intelligently that you should not be drinking that, or you will cross over that threshold. So what do? Several options. One of them, obviously, you finish your drink. What you cannot finish, and it's in the bottle, you could place it into the fridge, obviously after corking it or using a specific instrument like this where you'll pump out all the air and you can leave it in the fridge. It will last a few days. Now, let's just say you prefer not to do that. Well, the very next day, you could option 2, which is use the wine, and whether you're cooking, if it's white wine, you're cooking some mussels or clam or seafood, you could always add the white wine. If you're making a beef stew, you could always add the red wine. So that's your option number 2. Number 1, remember, place it in the fridge, leave it for a few days. If you don't want to do that, you could cook with the leftover wine. The third option that you have would be to get a container. If you really felt that the wine had passed its best drinking time, but you didn't want to waste it. So you're going to make vinegar. You take the wine, pour it into a vessel like this. For demonstration purposes, I'm using a cloth. That's to stop any insects or any untoward item falling into your jar. But I would recommend a muslin cloth. Place it over and get an elastic tie and tie it over like that. Then leave it somewhere cool, and after a few weeks, when you come back, you'll then be able to enjoy your vinegar, and you can use it for your salads and other dressings. So wine will never go to waste. I hope you've liked the video, and if you have, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.